going on, y'all? Welcome back. Got a pair of white cement 4s. I'm gonna need a total restore. Gonna be stripping the entire shoe down, even these plastic pieces, and basically redoing it because these have been played in and all that. So I'm gonna be stripping them up fully down, getting the laces out. I'm gonna be doing it all white, redoing the whole midsole, deoxidizing the midsole right here. This is supposed to be gray right here. It is like a brownish color, as you can see. Got paint missing and stuff like that, so we're gonna get all that taken care of for this customer. So y'all keep it locked. What's going on, y'all? Gonna get into the deep clean of the shoe. Gonna take the laces out. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Already cleaned the shoes. The next step I'm going to be taking is the prep of the shoes. I'm going to start with the midsole. Going to get all the paint off of the midsole, and then I'm going to prep up the upper, and then I'm going to be saucing the soles for to get the brown oxidation out. As you can see, the brown in the front and the back. It should be this color. Actually cleaner than that, but it's actually brown from oxidation, so I'm going to be saucing that also, so y'all keep it locked. Alright, y'all, shoes have been prepped. Everything has been stripped on the midsole, and I prepped the upper already. Next step is to sauce the soles to try to get them back to that gray color. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. I'm going to be using Roc-N sole sauce to get the oxidation out of the soles, so y'all keep it locked. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna leave them underneath these lamps probably for like a half an hour, 45 minutes. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Got the Jordan4s. As you can see, some of the oxidation is gone. Did about like a half an hour, and then the sauce, I didn't put much on there, so the sauce dried up. So I'm gonna be ending up saucing it again. I just want to show y'all how the sauce works. Like if I had put a little bit more on there and left it out there for like another 15-20 minutes, we wouldn't even be having this conversation, because it works pretty good, as you can see. It's getting there. Alright, y'all keep it locked. I'm gonna have these all sauced up, and then the next step will be paint. So I'm gonna be painting the midsole and the upper. So keep it locked, y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna set these outside for another 30 minutes or something like that. Remember, I set them out for 30 minutes already. Just sauced them back up, put them back out. As you can see, they're already gray-ish. I want them gray like they're supposed to be. So I'll set them out here for a little longer and get that nice gray color, that light cement gray color. Alright, y'all keep it locked. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. I'm gonna get to these white cement 4s. I was working on these before at my old lab, so this is my chance to start working on them here. Next step is going to be to tape up the shoes so I can get these white mesh parts all painted, airbrushed and stuff. If you don't remember, the front of the sole was brown. I got that gray already, and I deep cleaned the shoe so far, and I stripped down everything. So I'm just gonna go over the shoe real quick, and then we're gonna get to taping. All right, y'all. What's going on, y'all? I already taped up the shoes, sprayed them one time. I'm gonna hit them off one more time, maybe a couple more times till all that yellow is gone on the netting. Keep it locked. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Other videos had got deleted, I guess, because of Instagram. I was showing that I got all the white laid, all the gray laid, and me taping it up to do the cement effect, and it all pretty much got deleted from Instagram. I don't know, it had an update on Instagram, so I guess that's the reason why the video got cut off or whatever. So this is the final product. So if y'all need any work done, message me. I'll be untaping them in a second. So keep the seal dope and I still smoke weed. Just got a record deal, but I've been had cheap. Looking at my pieces like I've been had these. Looking at these streets like there is no peace. Faded off the strain of that strongest sleep. Like if only these dead palm trees could speak. But they can't, so they don't. I could, so I will. Some people. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. Got the shoes completed almost. Just gotta do the finisher around everything that I painted. But I'm gonna give y'all a look. Mogul and they know that. Logo on my flow mat. Courtside Chamberlain throwback match my Rolex. Everywhere I go flex. Valet park on some low shit. Whole lot of smoke in that Rory, that thing poke. Alright, y'all. If y'all need any work done, message me. I'm gonna get into doing all the finisher and putting the laces in. What's good, y'all? Welcome back. Got the Jordan4 white cements all done, completed, finished, laced up. Yeah, what can make a nigga wanna go and get it? Said he want a beamer with the subs in it. Said he grew up in a house and it was love missing. Said he grew up in. Y'all need any work done, message me. I'm gonna go over this whole shoe. I know I said everything before, but everything's finally finished with all the finisher, and laces are all attached. All the netting is white now. It's on both shoes. Like I said, if y'all need any work done, message me. I'll get to you as soon as possible. I'm a little backed up, but I'll get to you. When you start killing shit, and they all witness it. Money grow faster than niggas can't spend the shit. Open more businesses with you and your niggas. That's watching your vision. It's be a more generous. Get money. Ford dealership, we up in Fords. Watching and they wishing that it wasn't yours. I forgive you, I remember I was poor. But sign in the way of what you're reaching for. Gotta play the game, you gotta reach the score. See, I'ma do the same and pop the country for. Tell me if I want it, gotta hustle for it. Only difference now the money more mature. Young nigga, young nigga, young nigga, young nigga, young nigga, young nigga.